What's up, what's up, what's up? This is day number, I can't remember because my mind is a little bit in multiple hours, but it's a day of London. We are hitting London with the family. We're gonna go on the River Thames and have lots of fun, so this is gonna be cool. I'm really excited. I've never been on a boat in the River Thames myself, so this is, hey, don't kick me, man. I saw that. Did you see that? Yes. So anyway, we're going to London, and this is exciting. This trip is just awesome. We're gonna go to London. Did I say we're going to London today? I don't know. Graham, did I say London? I think I did. No, he didn't think I did. So we're going to London. So we are on our way. Nana is very kindly driving us super fast to get to the train, which leaves in 5 minutes. Can we make it? Because we're taking the train to London, and then we're gonna get on a boat throughout London. How cool is that? How cool is that, Aaliyah? Exactly. Her face says it all. London, by train, by boat, by fun.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, say something.
Daddy.
Yes?
Really cool.
You're really cool.
That's pretty cool.
At the coolest boat ever. At the coolest train ever.
Oh, it's the coolest ever.
Gotta
Gotta go. We're at the train station. Let's go get this. Nana's running. Nana's on the run. These are such cool train stations here. Look at this. All right, now check this out. This is the coolest little coffee machine. True brew. True real brew. Fresh coffee. The Surrey Coffee Company. I'm gonna give a shout out to these guys right here at the station. But how cool is that? Had I not had already 6 cups myself, I'll be throwing down on this guy. Thanks, bro.
Thank you. Have a good one, brother.
You too, man. We make it. Ticket office. Purchase. Hey, Mike. We make it, Mike? Yeah? You got a ticket for the train? Alright, here we go. Let's go on to the train station. So when you have time waiting for the train, what do? Pull ups on the stairs. That's a true CrossFitter right there. Check this guy out. Uneven, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so what are you doing? Are you picking it or are you eating them?
Eating.
See, this is the beauty of England. Check this out. Blackberries for the picking at the train station.
Berries.
I mean, that is just awesome.
Blackberries.
Picking blackberries. Aaliyah's got hers. Kobe's ninjaing his way over here. Beautiful. Hey, Mike, stop eating all my blackberries. Hey, I'm watching you.
What are they?
Stop picking all the... Mommy's on it, though. Mommy's on it.
There's also one back.
Joey's like picking something. Where's that at? Where's all that? Nice. Blackberry picking at the train station. Look at this. Uncle Tom here has got a hold of the blackberries. What you don't see is the behind the scenes. He was stepping on Joey's hands and holding on for dear life while he was picking the blackberries. Aaliyah, what are you doing? I see you. Oh dear. The monkey child has now climbing poles to grab blackberries. You see this? This is a train station. See that? And there's Joey up there. Hi, Joe. Oh, here comes the police officer, Joe. He did look. Don't be scared, Joe. It's a short jail sentence. Hey, Coach, what are you doing? Take it easy, little. Hey! I've got it on camera. If anybody needs evidence, it was him.
That one?
Mike, it's having fun.
Oh, wait.
You're a funny guy, Mike.
You're a funny guy. Anything for these blackberries. Hey Mike, is it cool being on the train?
Slowing down.
It's slowing down? Is it okay? Are you using your powers to keep us
This
going?
train is the southern service to London, Victoria. We are now approaching Henley.
Hey Henry, did you hear that? That's the British instructions, buddy.
We We are now approaching Kenley.
You excited to get to London? Yes? Cool, isn't it?
But you get a big hand for that.
Arrived at London Victoria, here we are. I best follow. Okay, we're here at London Victoria Station, walking to our next section. Joey was asleep on the train, but he's now awake. Are you awake, Joe? Kinda. He doesn't do that talkie thing yet until he's awake, so. Anyway, we're at the station, check this out. Wait there, Leah. Okay, cool. Do this. Just pop it in. So, it pops out. It goes through. There you go. This is Victoria Station. Right down here to the right. How cool is this station? Heading to the London Underground now. What's up? What's up? Get on that channel, Alvin. See what's there. Some cool folks here. We are on the Underground. We're heading off to go back overground eventually so that we can get on the boat on the River Thames, which is super exciting. Yeah, traveling underground in London is really cool. It just takes you around easily and quickly and actually very reasonably priced. You get a day ticket like so, and just take yourself around London. Doesn't get much better than that. So we're excited. The whole crew is gonna go hit this. Here we are in the Underground. Check this out. Mike is a traveler. He's reading the local Underground Metro news. What do you? Can you read it for me, Mike?
I don't.
You not? That's not fair.
It's a newspaper.
I know it's a newspaper, dude. I can read.
It's boring.
It's boring.
It's like Peppa Pig.
Like Peppa Pig's one? I've never seen a Peppa Pig's newspaper, but that's cool. I appreciate your honesty. Kobe's doing pull-ups here in the train. Go, Kobe. Go. Strict is on the nicely done. Sweet, Kobe. Games, baby, games. Mike, take it easy there, Lachon. That's your son, huh? It's a monkey. Ow, ow, ow. Like, how did you twist your foot that way? That's so unnatural. So, my beautiful wife and I are in another adventure today, and we are en route to the River Thames to ride a boat.
Yep, it's going to be fun. We jump off wherever we want to and explore Westminster, London Bridge, hopefully Pizza Express, and
Calabrese.
pizza
For those that don't understand the beauty of Pizza Express, there's this pizza that I have called Calabrese, which I'll show you later if we do go. And And I add anchovies on it, and it's spicy, and it's beautiful, and it's just delicious. Anyway, we are walking down the tunnel to get out onto the River Thames. Check this out.